Tohan Mosedeng, let's create regional recipes with me.
Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. Today I am going to share a recipe which is a no oil chicken recipe. Sounds very weird or sounds interesting? Okay, whenever it's really hot summer or if I am continue my diet, in that time I always prepare this recipe. The name of the recipe is Tohan Mosedeng. Basically the recipe is from Tripura, but when I was preparing this recipe I got the similarity of thecha, and after that do Kappa. So Garo style recipe, the do Kappa, which I previously I prepared that, and during the preparation of the little bit spices, which is not even a spice at all, so it reminds me of thecha. So in one recipe, this is the recipe of Tripura, and why I am showing this recipe, because you can see this recipe in internet, but the main thing is that I am the person who cannot eat chili at all, so we won't have the taste of Tohan Mosedeng. No, we can have. So how can we have that? For that I am showing you the recipe, so you just follow my recipe and you can really enjoy this no oil chicken recipe, and trust me, it's really awesome in taste. Well, the Tripura people and the tribe or Tripura people, they always have so much chili in their food according to the climate, according to the taste bud, but we the Bengali or other people, everybody cannot have that kind of food. So what we can do, we can reduce the chili and we can have that almost same taste. So what we are waiting for, just go through the. Let's start with the ingredients at first. So I have small pieces of chicken with bone and boneless too, and then I have Julian ginger, and then I have ginger that is thick. I cut into thick pieces, and then lots of sliced onion, and after that I have this red chili, and then I have this green chili, but you can see I already deseeded it because I cannot eat the spicy. So these are 1 pot garlic from my rooftop kitchen garden. I'm using that, and that is coriander leaf, and here I'm using lemon or nimbu. So I'll start with the spice. So first I will prepare some spices. I will heat the pan, and after that I will dry roast this ginger and this red chili and this garlic. So I have to dry roast it till they're a little bit brownish in color. So as I said, it's a no oil cooking, and the spice meter in the original recipe, as it's from northeast Tripura, here I'm using only 1 chili, but in this recipe at this place they're supposed to use at least 5 to 6 green chili. So but I'm not using that. It's not possible, then I cannot eat. That's why I am using only 1. If you like the spice, you can add 5 to 6 or more than that. For 500 gram chicken, at least they will use around 10 to 12 green chili. So just I will prepare it. You can see these are already done, black, and this one is garlic. So there are many variations. Some people they use chili and garlic, some people they use chili or this ginger. So it depends. That's why I'm not saying it's definitely it's authentic, but it depends on family to family, it varies. So the version I have learned, so they are using this garlic and ginger, just grilled it, and at the same time the chili, and now I will make a paste with that, coarse paste. That is the technique I'm going to show you. Now I have to prepare it. So this is how we have to make the paste, and here we cannot use any mixer, mortar or pestle. If you don't have this kind of stone one, you can always use the steel mortar pestle as well. So I will make a paste. Now I will start the cooking, but before that I will show you the paste I made. This is without water, the grilled garlic and red chili. I'm using red chili, I had, that's why, and the ginger, that is a paste. So heat the kadai at first and add this chicken. Just give it a stir. I will cook it in a medium-low heat. So just I have to stir it. The chicken will be a little bit whitish, and right now I missed that 1 chicken, and now I will add the salt, and then the main thing, water. As I said, we will cook it in water only, no oil, nothing. So water goes there. And rest of the ingredient I'll add. Ginger, Julian ginger. Give it a stir and cover it for 5 to 6 minutes till the chicken is done. Oh, by the way, here I have to add this green chili. I just deseeded it. So when you are cooking, if you like the spice meter, spice up, then you can add the green chili. Here you can add at least 2 to 3 green chili. And now I have to cover it and I have to cook the chicken. Let me check chickens are done or not. Yes, it's a bit done. Let me show you. So this is boiled, and now I will add another ingredient, I mean the paste. So I have to add the paste here. And then I have to add this onion, lots of onion. Okay, something is there. And now I have to cook it properly. This is the easiest recipe and a diet recipe as well. If you are doing any diet, this is the best recipe, one of the best recipe I can say. But in that case, you have to decrease the spice level. That is the chili, the way I am doing. And little bit of coriander. Again, I have to cover it. Now let me check if it's done or not. Okay, it's done. So the water is reduced and chicken is properly cooked. The taste is really good. If you think without oil it's good or not, trust me, you just try it and let me know. It's really good. And one more thing I want to tell you, that this is very similar with a recipe I did a few years back. That is a Garo recipe, do Kappa. Very similar to that. It's a tribal recipe. So this is the recipe Tohan Mosedeng is very similar to that. So switch off the gas and then I will add more onion and then lemon juice. Finish it off with some coriander. So try this recipe, and it is really good with rice, plain steamed rice. Try this recipe, Tohan Mosedeng, and let me know how it is. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. You can follow me in Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen or in Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen, and in case you want to place food order, you can always contact me through Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen or Google Madhurima's Kitchen. So I'm going to enjoy this Tripura recipe, Tripura chicken recipe actually, and that's it.